This is a 52-inch Harbor Breeze Caratuk river ceiling fan. Installed in my sister's room. It's no longer in my room. I probably don't have that much videos of it in my room. Yeah. But I will tell you that these pull chains are original. Alright, let me turn it on so you can see it better. There you go. But they're wrong. I pulled the one that has the fan and it turns on the light, and this one turns on the fan. Show you the Harbor Breeze logo right there. I just put that sticker that says Caratuk River. That they know. Oh, and this light globe here is not original. Because normally I don't really see these light globes. You definitely will not see a light globe like this on a Harbor Breeze Caratuk River. The old light globe broke, so we just had to go to Lowe's and get this other one. This is a really ugly fan because wow, it's just blue. It's so dark in here. Because it's ventless. Inside the motor. I don't know if it's a black or white motor, but it's got, you can probably see it better. Got reversible. Over here, got reversible oak. I'll just turn the light off. You can probably. No, I didn't think so. To cherry. Oh, there's the top of it. I can't really read the stickers. Pause the video if you want to read it, and then tell me in the comments below. Okay, so now I'll turn on, show you the light. Now I'm going to finally demonstrate it, starting with the light. It's got a CFL bulb in it, if you're wondering what the bulb is inside it. Now here's high. This fan's the noisiest fan we ever owned. It is so noisy. Hold on. I don't think there's enough light in this one. Let me turn on some more lights. You'll probably see it a little bit better. Alright. Okay, so high with the light. Oh, and I'll show you how noisy it is. I'm not going to get the camera too close because this fan's running on high. It might just damage the camera. Hear that? I really don't like this fan. I feel like it's the worst fan we ever owned. My sister wants it replaced. Well, I have to use a stool to reach the pull chains because this thing doesn't really hold a lot of weight. Medium. Hard to reach those chains. Because the stool's right on the floor and the chains are right up there. I did get the original pull chains back on it because my sister's gonna get new pull chains. I just thought for now to put the original pull chains on until she gets her new pull chains. It's been taking for days until she gets her new pull change. Now here's a video blade. This fan doesn't. This fan really gets hardly ever used. Yeah. One time. Yeah, one time my sister was sleeping and she had this fan, I don't know, it was running on either high or medium, and I heard it all the way from my room when I was just sleeping inside. So, yeah, it was the light. Now, since we'll do a little spin that time. I'll just stop the blades a little bit so it doesn't take too long. Spin. Come on. Just get this. I just need to get this thing focused. There we go. Spin. I don't know what I'm gonna say about this, but it's got to go. And if you're wondering what we did to the Cheshire that was broken in the bathroom, well, we threw it out. I know it's a waste. We didn't sell it because I know no one would like a broken fan. Yeah, we just threw it out. I know it's a waste of money though. But yeah, but that is the Harvey's Caratuk room in my sister's room. Hope you enjoyed, like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more.